we all thought that he was a boy from Delhi. Little did we know that he's a Bandra boy, you know. So I think that just shows how versatile he is, and that, you know, I think he has great potential, and I wish him all the best.
Thank you for answering my few questions. I know my friends here in the media have been waiting to ask few questions of their own.
Sure.
So,
I was in Dubai promoting my movie. No celebration this time.
Ranveer Singh recently stated that he makes the best pair with you. Do you also feel the same way?
Yeah, why not? But having said that, I just realized the other day that I've had great chemistry with 3 other people as well. I've had it with Ranveer, I've had it with Saif, and I've had it with Shah Rukh. So I think that's really a classic example of chemistry lies in the script. It lies in the dialogue. It lies in the way the characters are written, and you know, I think it really depends not just on, yes, a large part of it is your comfort level with your co-star, but I think the fact that I've had great chemistry with, you know, 3-4 people, really I think a lot of it is in the script itself.
आपने चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस की उससे लुंगी पॉपुलर हो गया आपने लगा कि उसमें घाघरा पॉपुलर हो गया आप बताइए आप कंफर्टेबल किसमें
साड़ी आप लुंगी में बहुत कंफर्टेबल हो ना personally I'm the most comfortable in a sari. I can't explain. I'm just very, very comfortable in a sari.
Deepika, starting your career with Shah Rukh, then again with, you know, you did Chennai Express with Shah Rukh, and now you're doing Happy New Year with Farah and Shah Rukh both. तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, क्योंकि स्केड्यूल खत्म हो रहा है फिल्म का, तो थोड़ा बताएंगे उसके बारे में, हाउ वाज इट वर्किंग?
स्केड्यूल खत्म नहीं हो रहा है, स्केड्यूल अप्रैल में खत्म होगा
जी, तो बताएंगे कि कैसे, हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वर्किंग विद अभिषेक एंड बमन एंड एवरीबॉडी?
It's a lot of fun. I mean, I'm surrounded by mad people. Farah, Shah Rukh, Abhishek, Boman, Sonu Smooth, as we call him, and Vivan, you know. So it's a lot of fun. And they really pamper me because Vivan and me are the youngest on that crew. And Farah and Shah Rukh especially, they feel like all protective and like proud parents and things like that. So I think it's fun, you know. It's I can see that Farah's really kind of letting me be now on my own. She in the Dubai schedule, she said, you know, baby, in the first film, I really had to teach you everything. I really had to tell you how to, you know, how to react, how to do this, how to do that. But she's saying now I don't have to tell you anything. You just manage on your own, and I'm really proud of you. So that's a nice feeling.
anyone else have questions?
That side?
Behind?
Yeah. Stand up.
Hi. Hi.
Considering you started your career with Shah Rukh Khan, in Chennai Express, you ended up getting more appreciation than them for your performance.
That's a trick question.
Is that a trick question? So, what about it?
How do you feel? I mean,
She felt great.
no, you know, because Shah Rukh Khan is very busy. Did he kind of get back to you on air? Did he say something to you?
I remember he did an interview before the film released, and he said that I was the soul of the film. And I thought he was being too generous at that point. I lose all objectivity of my own films when I work on a film. When I see it, I have no idea where it's going. But he said that, and like I said, I thought he was being a bit too generous until the film released. And